Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you 3 remote work from home jobs. All 3 of these jobs are hiring worldwide. Some of them even provide all the training that you need. But before we dive in, just a little disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, and although I try to do my own research and weed out any scams, please make sure you do your own research before providing any of your private information to any company. And also feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And as always, all the links to all the jobs I share are in the description box below. And if you find any of these job leads helpful or anything that I share helpful, please help me out by liking and sharing this video. But with that being said, first up, we have the company Find Hotel. They are looking for a customer support representative. Now, it does say for their customer support representative, you can be based anywhere in the world, but they're specifically looking for candidates who can cover the following hours. They want someone who can work full-time 40 hours but in specific standard time zone, working between 6 a.m. and 3 p.m. So you need to convert whatever time zone you are living in to that time zone to make sure that those hours would work for you. But if that is still for you, they are looking for someone to serve customers by providing outstanding experience through available channels. You will also have to be a team player and work together with your colleagues and help develop support best practices to make sure they're continuing to improve their level of service. Now, they are looking for someone who has experience in online customer-facing support software, such as Zendesk, Customer, or similar platform, someone who has proven ability to provide excellent service, someone who is excellent fluent native English, both written and verbally, and someone who is resilient and composed under pressure. Now, of course, they don't list the pay for this position. A lot of places that hire globally won't, because that is dependent on your location and experience. But it does say they offer a great compensation package with perks and benefits, and that they also offer flexible time off and a budget for your dream office. So they will give you a home office stipend as well. Moving right along, we have the company LeadSimple. They are also hiring a remote customer success associate. So this is again customer service. They are hiring anywhere in the world. So you will be tracking customer requests and effectively communicating the details to their internal teams. You'll manage performance metrics and response times. You'll resolve any customer issues effectively and communicate in a clear manner with the customer. You'll recommend service and product enhancements to the customers, and you'll consult with and build custom software solutions for the clients. Now again, pay is not listed, but they do offer a benefit package such as a monthly health care allowance, vacation time, and it says a fun and flexible work environment. And last but not least, we have the company Calendly. They are hiring a senior revenue operations manager. So if customer support is not your thing, maybe revenue and operations is. But they are looking for someone to act as the key point of contact for their functional teams to convert requirements into actionable initiatives. You will improve their customer success process with partnering with team members to identify operational weaknesses and have opportunities to innovate and improve them. You'll perform detailed investigations to reveal potential insights into root causes of issues. You'll analyze data and share insights for the business. You'll proactively recommend enhancements to the system. So they are looking for someone who does have a little bit of experience, 5 years in customer success operations, revenue operations, or business operations. They are also looking for someone who has Salesforce experience working with building websites such as Process Builder or HTML, and someone who has experience identifying inefficient workflows and helping recommend improvements and in implementing those improvements. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.